Hey guys, it's Caitlin, and I went outside today and I got my new KIDPIX box this month. Time for the unboxing. Here we go. In every box, it says who this box is specially made for. This one is specially styled for me. And then it has a package like this inside each one. Alright. It's like Christmas. Ooh, so the first two things I see is a little gift for you, which I'll open in a second, and this really adorable sun keychain with a pom-pom on it. Now I'm going to open the gift for you package. So inside, I got these three really cute pins. Can you zoom in enough for them to see? The first item of clothing I got is a shirt with a sequined top. Ooh, wow. It changes from silver on the outside and pink on the inside to pink on the outside and silver on the inside. That's really cool. And the next thing I got is this gray sweater with the most adorable fuzzy looking sleeves I've ever seen. Wow. Next, there is this pair of jeans. Ooh, these are really pretty. Then there's this skirt, the pink skirt with a bunch of little pom-poms all over it. Wow. Lastly, there is this very pretty and gorgeous dress. Wow. Oh, I love the bottom. Wow. Thanks so much, KIDPIX. I can't wait for my next box. At the end of each one of my KIDPIX videos, I will be showing my favorite item from the package. So my favorite item in this box is the gray sweater with fuzzy sleeves. I don't know. I'm just obsessed with it. I don't know. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!